I'll take only 4-5 of them. And Balram Prasad, of course, my friend, stopped with that. And maybe I can give you an idea about Balram Prasad is that, like my friend said, Malay Kumar Ganguly is the lead judgment in which Balram Prasad case actually emanated. In that judgment, what had happened, one lady of 35 years had come to India. She had some skin problem. She went to several doctors and the problem was not cured. Ultimately, she died due to the treatment which was wrongly given by the wrong treatment given by the doctors. She had come up to the Supreme Court. The liability was fixed. However, the compensation had not been fixed. So they went back to the National Commission for Quantum. Initially, the claim was 77 crores, which was subsequently amended to that of 97, which was also challenged. Commission had given 1.5 crores as a joint and several liability by the hospital as well as the doctors. However, the claimant as well as the hospital came to the Supreme Court, which is this reported judgment of 2014, 1 SEC 384, which will be in your list of cases. Balram, in your list of cases will be item 30. So in this, in fact, this court had taken, one is, like my friend said, what is the method adopted? She was 35, 36, and expectancy was fixed at 70. And therefore, the court said, at least I will take the multiplier method, which is in the Motor Vehicles Act, and took 30 as a multiplier, and then calculated it and awarded about 6 crores with 6% interest. What is interesting is that they have given what are the headings under which compensation can be given. It's very beautifully explained in paragraph numbers. You can say, I'll give you the paras which you will have to see. 132, that's about joint and several liability. 133, 144. And it said, finally, they've given certain directions as to how it is to be done. Which is this page of this judgment. 1 second. 384, right? Yeah, I'll just give you. You may have to see this angle. If a question comes about what are the essentials of fixing of a compensation, what is a guideline that the Supreme Court has laid down in while fixing compensation in medical negligence matters, these paragraphs which give out the manner in which the compensation is given is at para 74. Please concentrate. What do you mean by just compensation? So the court said, in this case, National Commission has completely failed to award just compensation. So a question comes, what's a just compensation? How do you fix a just compensation? So this will be the manner in which it is given. There is a status and qualification of the victim and the husband, income and standard of living in USA because she was living in USA, economic expert from the USA, so they have given evidence, scientific calculation of loss of income and loss of income of the claimant as such, and reducing the personal expenditure, they have arrived at a figure. So it's not about the figure, it's about the base facts. Whenever a question like this is asked, you give at least 4 lines of base facts and how this question has come to the Supreme Court, and then give this answer. At least give some details about what is being fixed. That's about Balram Prasad. 74 is the guideline and 94 are the issues about what were decided in that case. Now, let me also give you an example on this other angle of, suppose if there are other categories that my